In this video, KINGREAL goes over the manufacturing process of precision punching dies, and then you'll see the importance of punching mold in metal sealing tile production line as well as in the coil perforation line. Part 1. Manufacturing. According to the design drawings, the selected material is cut to get the basic shape of the mold. Rough machining of the cut material, including milling, drilling and other processes, the shape of the mold and holes initially processed. Heat treatment is performed on the roughly machined mold to improve the hardness and wear resistance of the mold. Perform precision machining on the heat-treated mold, including grinding, polishing and other processes, to ensure that the size and surface quality of the mold meet the requirements. Part 2. Debugging. Debugging the assembled punching molds to ensure that the use of the molds and precision meet the requirements. And then carry out quality inspection of the mold, including size test, hole diameter test, wear resistance test, etc. Part 3. How to replace punching molds. Part 4. Application. KINGREAL provides high-quality punching mold for different size metal sealing tiles perforation line. Welcome to subscribe KINGREAL Universal Ind Limited.